Hey guys, how you all doing? Paul the Tech Giant here. Just a quick one today about the latest software update for the LG C2 and G2 OLEDs. And if we go into the settings, go down to support and to software update, we can see that the latest software version number is 03.11.35. And this is coming from the previous version, which was 03.11.10. Now I'm on LG's official website now to see what they say about this update, and I just want to quickly say thanks to box.co.uk for allowing me to keep this TV for just a little bit longer, because once again it should have gone back already, but I've kept it for even longer again to give you guys this update, so big shout out to them. Please go check them out. So just scrolling down, the software version 03.11.35, and if we go down it says improvement fixing minor bugs in software. Now not a lot to go on there as per usual, so yeah, LG would be great if you could sort that out and give us more detailed information instead of just fixing minor bugs in software. But I do believe it was to resolve an issue to do with the sound that some people were experiencing. I think it was the sound just was coming out of one speaker when hooked up to an amp or something along those lines. But personally I have been testing this out and not noticed any degrade in the picture quality or anything like that, or nothing negative to report. And as we can see there, we've got the C2s, and if we go down it's also applicable to the G2s. So yeah, all good news. Well, there you go then guys. Hope you do appreciate me doing my best to keep this TV for a little bit longer so I can bring you this update. And if you do us a favour and give me a thumbs up, and if you've not already subscribed to the channel, then please consider doing so. So thanks very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.